Hello friends, I wanted to create and share with you this slideshow of the picture reviews from my Etsy shop. In the past, I had run Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales in my shop, but now I decided I will not do it anymore. Running my own crochet business, oftentimes I simply did what I saw other people and other Etsy shop owners doing, and I hoped doing that will help my business too. But now, after so many years on Etsy and on YouTube, I am discovering my own path and I'm starting doing things that resonate with me. For this reason, I decided I will not run Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales in my Etsy or Ravelry shops anymore. You see, those never really resonated with me. In my 20s, I had worked in retail for about 5 years. My first job in America was at Walmart, and then I also worked at a store called Mervyn's. It went out of business many years ago, but some of you might remember it. Anyway, all those years I worked on Black Fridays, and oh boy, the Black Friday was the most stressful and craziest day of the year. I do not have good memories of those days. Working in retail, I had seen and learned about different marketing techniques that both Walmart and Mervyn's used in order to increase sales. And yes, they are called marketing techniques, but to me, many of them seemed like manipulation techniques, sneaky ways to sort of agitate the customers, make them believe they are going to miss out on something great, that kind of things. For example, when I worked at Mervyn's, I had a credit cards quote. There was a specific amount of store credit cards I was supposed to open each month because, as the management explained, people are buying more when they are paying with a credit card rather than cash. And people are likely to buy even more when they are paying with the store credit card. So I had to put on a smile and cheerfully ask each customer if they would like to open a Mervyn's credit card and tell them about all the wonderful benefits of having it. And I hated doing that. It was entirely against my own beliefs and values. But I had no choice. In order to maintain my employment, I had to follow the rules of my employer. That's just one example. I could give you many more, but this is not the point of this video. The point is, yes, I had done Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales in my Etsy and Ravelry shops in the past, but I will not do them anymore. Instead, this Thanksgiving, I'm going to say a prayer and thank God for all the wonderful people who discovered my crochet work and who like what I do and who support my small business at their own will. I'm very grateful for all of my customers on Etsy and on Ravelry, and I'm very grateful for all of my viewers on YouTube. And I want to especially thank the people who shared these photos of their projects in the reviews on Etsy. It's always very enjoyable for me to see your creations made from my patterns. It makes me smile, it makes me happy, it makes me feel proud of my work. Thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving to those of you who celebrate it.